Hi guys, welcome back. This is the 12th video of the JavaScript video series, and I hope you're enjoying this series. Today we're going to take a look at JavaScript string methods. So JavaScript string methods are basically functions or methods provided to us by JavaScript so that we can play around or perform any actions on strings. Okay, so strings are basically a data type in JavaScript, which you've already seen in one of the previous videos. If you you know how to define a string, right? So let me show it to you again, where str equal to a b c d e f g h I j k l m n o p q r s t. So once you define something in these double inverted commas, this is a string. You've already seen this in one of the previous videos. So the first JavaScript string method that we're going to look at is called length. It's dot length. So if I want to find out the length of this string, then I can use the JavaScript string method called as dot length. So let's check it out. So let me define another variable where length is equal to str.length, which is basically trying to find out the length of string, which is this. And now I'm going to document.write output the value basically of length. Let's see what happens. So get the value of 20. So let me explain to you what's happening here. I'm defining a variable called string as a data type string, right? And the string's value is from A to T. And I'm taking the value of the string's length inside this variable called len, and then I'm just outputting len. And the basic length of the string is 20, so that's what it's showing. Now the next method that we'll take a look at is called index of. So let's take another string. Please find out the location of locate. Okay, and here what I'll do is I'll say len is equal to str dot index of say str, sorry, I'll say locate. What I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to find out the location or the index of this word called locate in this string, which I've taken into str, and that's where I'm performing the operation str dot index of. So that value, the value of the index that I'll get here, will come into len. So let's try running this. It's 33 basically. So if you start counting from here 0, and you'll find out that at 33rd location, 33rd index, the value of string is locate. That's where it found locate basically. So both the length and index of functions are really important in JavaScript, and once we start looking at more complicated examples, you'll start understanding why they're really important. And now there's another function that you get with index of, and that is the last index of, which basically finds out the last place where locate was seen. So it again says 33. Now index of and last index of also take another variable, another parameter, sorry, which is completely optional. So if we have str.index of and locate in comma 15, which basically means it starts at the 15th location from the beginning at the 15th location, and then it tries to find locate. So it says 33. And last index of, what last index of will do now is it'll start from the last location and then come to the 15th position and then try to find the value of locate. So if I start from here and then I go till the 15th place and then I try to find locate, I will not find it, right? So it will say -1. Basically it didn't find it. So what basically is -1? Let me try and explain to you again. So let me say that if I want to find the value of John in this string, right? So as you know, in this string there's no value called John. There's nothing called as John here. If I try and run this, I'll get -1, which basically means that John is not there in the string. So this works with both index of and last index of. So I showed it to you with last index of. Now let me show it to you with index of. So it says -1, that the value of John is not there in the string at all. So this is why when I said last index of and I said locate and I said 15 here, it said -1 because starting from reverse, when you reach the 15th position and then you try to find locate till the end of the string, you won't find it. You won't find locate because locate is here, not here, right? So I hope all this makes sense till now. Now there's another function called as search. So let's say instead of index of or last index of, I'll say here's search. Right, so I'm performing the search operation on the same string, which is str, and I'm searching for locate. So you'll see that index of and search are almost exactly the same, right? In the sense they give me the value of where the index was, where this locate was found. Now search and locate, while they appear to be almost same, but they're not the same, because index of also takes a second parameter, like I showed you, that 15, right? That was the second parameter, which is completely optional. But search does not take any parameter. So search and index of are slightly different. Now let me show you another function or method or string method called slice. So let's say here slice. I say 7. But let me change the string so that you understand a little better. Kiwi. So what happened here is, what slice does is it goes till this place, the 7th place one, which is basically 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And it's going to take whatever it finds from the 7th place, which is banana and kiwi, and it's going to create a slice of that, or it's going to basically chop this much string from this complete string, and it's going to return me this string, right? So starting from the 7th position, which is banana, and it's going to give me both banana and kiwi. That's what it's done. It's created a small slice from the string, right? And there can also be a minus value here. So if I say minus 12, as you can see, it says banana kiwi again. Why? Because if you start from this position and you reach 12, which is by minus I mean start from the end and then you reach this position, which is 12. So if you come from here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which is the same as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So 7 from the beginning of the string and 12 from the end of the string. If I say minus, is going to basically start from the end of the string and come till here, and again is going to give me banana and kiwi, right? If I say something else like minus 11, it's going to remove the B of banana. So 7 is the same as minus 12, right, in this string when it comes to this string. I hope that makes sense. Now I can perform some even more advanced slice operations, where let's say I can pass 2 different parameters in this function, and I say 7 and 13. It's going to give me just banana, because what I'm telling him is that start from the 7th position and go till 13th, and then give me whatever you have, which is banana basically. And it can also work in reverse, where you can say start from minus 12 and go to minus 6. It gives you banana again, because as you remember, this is minus 12, it comes till here, then it goes minus 6, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it gives me banana, right? So if this was positive 6, it would have gone in the other direction, right? And it won't work, because it has to come, if it's gone here from here to here in minus, it has to come from here to here minus. So it works on like this, minus and minus. So minus 12 and minus 6 is banana. So again, I'll explain to you. 12 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which is banana, just before banana. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get the entire banana basically, right? So I hope that makes sense, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode, where we'll keep continuing with string methods.